Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, welcome back in. We have the ends of this winter storm rolling through right now. With it wrapping up overnight tonight, our winter weather advisory is still in play across the counties in purple. That's in play till 11 p.m. because we've got the chance for some of that rain to try to turn back over to a little bit of snow as we go into the next few hours. Speaking of snow, impressive totals coming in across parts of Kentucky here today. Places like Garrett County and Madison County, some spots saw over 7 inches. Mercer and Fayette over 4.5. In Jessamine County, 3.5. It was a wide spread, even across southern and eastern Kentucky in spots. Places like Magoffin, Morgan, Menifee all had 4 to 5 inches. Now, the further south you went, mostly rain is what you were dealing with. And we got to talk about here in southern Kentucky, there is a flood warning until 9 p.m. tonight. That may need to be pushed on a little bit further from Wayne County all the way over to Knox County, even into portions of Leslie and Bell County, and that's because they've seen a lot of rain. Flood watch in play for southern Kentucky till 7 a.m., but I do expect to see more flood watches get issued as the next couple of systems come through. Look at how much rainfall they saw down there in southern portions of the state. 2 to 2.5 inches. Whitley City, 2.7. Even Somerset had 1.2 inches, and they're the spots that got hit with a lot of rain last week. For us here, our rainfall totals today somewhere about 1/2 inch in Lexington, but we also had a couple inches of snow. So there is a lot of water for everybody available. Now, looking at the next 3 days, tomorrow morning we've got the chance for some of this rain to turn over to some freezing drizzle before temperatures climb into the upper 40s. That's rain for our afternoon coming back as this next system takes hold. Into Thursday morning, the chance for showers lingers early, and then temperatures sort of stall out in the 30s. Mostly cloudy there. We're going to have a quiet Friday, but there's yet another system to deal with as we get into the weekend. Looking at radar for you here this evening, we've got rain still ongoing in the area with a flood warning. We've got pink here suggesting a wintry mix of some kind or some freezing in the precipitation taking place. Good news is here in Lexington is still mostly rain as temperatures continue to hold steady. We've got snow in northern Kentucky, but not a lot, and it will continue to work its way out here. You can already see some gaps like places near Harrodsburg, or even if you looked out in eastern Kentucky, some lighter greens in here is a good sign, meaning things are sort of thinning out for us. Over in Casey County, you see that the radar is cutting up quite a bit. So making our way towards some slightly drier weather as we head into the overnight. The cold front is collapsing on the northern side of this. The low itself is moving into Tennessee. The warm front for that is staying in southern Kentucky. You saw it there with the temperatures that we had earlier here in the show. This is what we expect for the rest of tonight. All of this continues working northeast with some dry time coming in behind it, but the chance for some light spotty drizzle and or some fog mist to give us some freezing drizzle into tomorrow morning. That's where the temperatures stay colder for us here, especially at the surface. As we go into tomorrow midday and into the afternoon, though, scattered showers come up back out of the south as the next warm front comes in. That pushes through. Look at this here as we go into Wednesday night. Some dry time, some wet time. The cold front comes in, wrapping this up by 5, 6, 7 a.m. Thursday morning, and then just cloud cover for the rest of your Thursday. Again, Friday, the quiet day. But we've already got flooding issues, and there could be more, where we have another 3 to 4 to maybe even 5 inches of rainfall through Sunday. With these next two systems, it's going to be a problem for us, especially in areas that already have high water. So we'll keep watching for tomorrow's system. Friday, Valentine's Day, of course, but then rain and possibly ending as snow rolling into the weekend.